All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 365% of your initial investment with Drip Network, 1% a day, every single day. All kinds of good cryptocurrency stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance. Yep. Ding, 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 ding. This could be a good discount buy at this current moment. We're going to go to the price prediction. We're going to do a price prediction. We're going to go to the price, do a price prediction at the end, go to their website, check out their Twitter, all kinds of good stuff. And Bitcoin mining in New York operation is ruining the lakes of New York. What? There's mining going on in New York? Not just mining, but Bitcoin mining. Yep, and the pollution's ruining the lakes and stuff. We're going to go over that. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own and buy some cryptocurrency. All right, VVS Finance. Let's go ahead and head on over. All right, over here at the coin market cap, down 20%. Ding, 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 20%. This could be a discount buy. It's right here at number 438, clicking it. Over to the right here, there's 4 zeros and a 3174, down 20% in a week, down 4.5% today. On today's thing, it's got a little bit of a drop, but let's take a look at this 7-day thing. The 7-day thing, it's been gradually just going down, 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 and going down some more, and down, 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 and down again. This is where if you believe that VVS Finance is a great project and you think it could work and you love what's going on with it, you may want to look at the discount buy. Over here at the Twitter account, our first dual farm in partnership with Tectonic FI is officially live. Stake your VVS and Tonic LP on Crystal Farms to earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. Are you digging that? You can stake your Tonic and your VVS and you get both rewards. Boost rewards will last 90 days. Happy farming. So they got a little bit of a bonus here for the next 90 days. It says, what's better than being rewarded with 1 token in Crystal Farm? Yep, being rewarded in 2. How about 2? Multiple reward farms are here. VVS and Tonic on Crystal Farms just launched a day or so ago, and you get rewarded in both VVS and Tonic at the same time. Fantastic stuff going on with VVS Finance. This is exciting to see ADA launching on Corona's chain VA IBC Solo machine, allowing ADA to be sent across the entire Cosmos interchain ecosystem. ADA has been listed on VVS and initial liquidity added to the Crow/ADA pool. And this is a good one too. Dark Crypto is the Crow-backed Algon staple of Cronus. Dark Crypto boosts VVS and Crow Vault with Sky starts now. Look at this. This boosted 365%. VVS and Crow only on app Beefy Finance. So this one is a big one. Look at that APY. 365% on Beefy and Cronus. All right, over here to the website. Very, very simple DeFi trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VVS rewards. Learn about VVS Finance. Did you see the little miner right here? Right here, you would connect your wallet. And right there is another little miner. Take a look at that. Okay, we aim to make DeFi simple and within reach of billions, low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. It says the shiny yield farm opportunity streams of passive to multiple assets, the rarest and the brightest yield farm in the VVS farms. Clear incentives for all. The token economics and incentives built for long-term value creation. Our minds will always be bountiful. And then it says hardened security and governance, designed with security in mind for the community and the heart. Platform governance will be paused gradually to the community. Now there's 3 things you can do. Choose your path and join the DeFi movement today. Over to the right. Be a VVS miner, your passive income. Have you been hearing that word, passive income? Crystallize your VVS tokens, staking for a fixed amount to receive earned more VVS tokens. Stake and forget that simple. Number 2, build liquidity providers. Very low minimums. Supply a token pair to receive liquidity provider LP tokens. Collect transactions and fees from farm shiny VVS rewards. And then be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly. Instantly swap tokens and low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes out for the new pairs and new token listing. All right, so VVS Finance, you get double rewards. We were just talking about that. It's down 20% right now. This could, ding, ding, this could be a good discount buy. El Salvador loves to buy the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip. Well, this could be a fantastic thing for basically buying the dip. Now, they talk about passive income. We're going to go over to our Drip Network account real quick just to take a look at it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So right here on the faucet, again, I started with about $2,400. My Drip account here in the middle is $37.12. So 1% would be $37 a day. So right now, my Drip account, I'm getting $37 every day. Now, right now, I have $18 in there. Take a look, $18. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to show you how to hydrate so you guys can see. Over here to the right, there's a hydrate thing and a claim thing. We're going to put this $18 into here. We click hydrate. Connects your MetaMask wallet. You pay your 5% fee to transfer it back into the account. It takes a second over here, $37.09. Take a look at that, $37.09. Takes a second, so we're going to wait a second, and let's see, compound successful any second now. Usually about 12 to 15 seconds. Here it comes. All right, there it is. Compound successful. Now, the money has moved in over here to $37.25 now. So right now, we just hydrated that money. 1% every single day. And again, 1% for me right now is $37. All right, over here, Bitcoin battle, huge crypto mining op, Rex, New York, lakes. What? What is this about? Lakes are usually peaceful locations for rest and relaxation, but some lakeside locals are up in arms over damaging climate impacts that have come from crypto mining operations on the shore. What is going on? It says residents in the Finger Lake region of upstate New York have been protesting in actions of natural gas power plant for nearly 2 years because the negative environment impact it had on the area, not for typical reasons for pollution you might think. Since early 2020, the Greenwich generation plant has been keeping 24/7 cryptocurrency mining operating running all day long. The power plant company has claimed that the mining operation, which is about fielding more Bitcoins, is 100% carbon neutral. But those claims are built on shaky grounds. The carbon offsets aren't damaging to the environment, which is misleading. Take a look at that picture right there. You got birds flying around. They're not happy. You got smoke coming up. Oh, what are they doing? They're doing Bitcoin in there. Oh my God, where at? In New York. Holy cow, everybody. The Greenwich generation plant juices almost 20,000 mining rigs. 20,000 mining rigs to crunch the number needed to earn the owner's astronomical amount of Bitcoin. It reportedly managed is 1866 Bitcoin, worth roughly $100 million. So he's got $100 million, but he's ruining the environment, supposedly. What do you think's going on in New York? They're not really happy about this. So there's the Bitcoin battle, huge crypto mining op, Rex, New York. That's kind of, I mean, 100 million in Bitcoin, mining in New York and stuff. I thought they were going to mine in Texas. That's the first I heard of mining in New York. All right, no problem. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. What'd you think of Drip Network? 1% a day. I know there's people that basically put 10,000 in to get started, 5,000 to get started, 500 to get started. Remember, you got to do your I'm not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. We're all just friends here. But whatever you're investing, you got to be, you want to research it, you want to know about it. But it's a pretty exciting project. 365% of your initial investment, 1% every single day. Go to their white pages. I'll link my buddy link in the bottom so you can check it out if you need a buddy. Let's head back over to VVS Finance. All right, back over here at the website, VVS Finance. VVS tokens are at the core of VVS Finance. They got value, utilities, and governance. Value is stake for rewards. Utility is stash to join is coming soon. And the governance is hold to vote coming soon. Going over here to earn. So when you click earn, it goes to Crystal Farms. Our harvests are always bountiful. Pick your farm and earn. So you got Crow and ETH. APR is 31%. Crow and USD, 34%. Look at this one, 116. Crow and VVS. Crow and VVS Finance. Look at that 116 APR. Connect your wallet right here. Pretty awesome stuff. Crow and Shiba, 27%. So you got all that you can choose from. Crow and Atom, 64%. You got your dashboard here. You would click your dashboard to do your farms. IGO. Initial gem offering. Join the rarest Cronus project launch. Connect your wallet. Learn more. View the contract. Single finance. Sale ends. How to take part. Get your VVS LP tokens. Commit to LP tokens and claim your tokens. All right, we're over here at Coin Market Cap. So what's our price prediction? This coin is down 20%. I think it's going to bounce back up in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Back up to the full 15 or 20% possibly. All our information is for educational purposes only. I do like the fact right here, this awesome thing, our first dual reward farm is partnership with Tectonic. Stake your VVS and Tonic on Crystal Farms and earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. I think that's going to be a big play to make this coin go back up. Go to their Twitter account, check it out. Over here at VVS Finance. Again, take a look at this. It's down almost 20% in the last 7 days. All right, so Bitcoin mining is ruining the lakes, the shores of New York. They've been doing it for 2 years. $100 million in Bitcoin mining over there in New York. VVS, you can actually stake your VVS and your Tonic and get rewarded in both tokens. That's fantastic. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click right here if you want to learn more about Drip Network. If you need a buddy, I got my link in the bottom so you can use the buddy to get started. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, and you have a fantastic day.